Hello students, in the previous lecture we see the geometric progression, the properties of the geometric progression, definition of the geometric progression and the examples. Okay. Now in this lecture we start the next article, that is the sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Okay. Here sum. Okay. Suppose here the terms in a geometric progression, suppose it is a t1, t2, t3 up to tn, it is a nth term in a geometric progression, are in a geometric progression. Then sum of the all terms is denoted by, it is a s, it is a sum. In all terms, here there are the n terms, so you can write the sn, and it is sum of all terms t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus and so on up to tn, that is the n terms. It is sn is a sum of the first n terms. When we write here s10, that means the sum of the first 10 terms. When we write s7, it is a sum of the first 7 terms in a geometric progression. Okay, here in like this we have already discussed in the class 10, it is a sum of the first n terms in the arithmetic progression. Okay, we learn in a class 10. Now we see the sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. These are all terms in a geometric progression. Okay, here this sequence is a geometric progression. Now this summation, it is the sum of the terms t1, t2, t3, we can write in the form of the summation. Okay, here it is a symbol for the summation. It is a sum of all terms. It is a TP where P is equal to 1 to n. Okay, that means when P is equal to 1, it is T1. When P is equal to 2, it is a T2. When P is equal to 3, it is a T3, and it is a notation for the summation. Okay, that means the sum of the all terms, that is a T1, T2, T3, T3, T4 up to n. Okay, here it is a value of P is 1 to n. It is a notation for the summation. That means this is n. Okay, it is a sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Here t1, t2, t3, t4 up to tn are in a geometric progression. Okay, now it is a sequence and it is in a geometric progression. Now first we find the formula for the geometric progression. It is a sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. It is Sn, but Sn how to calculate? Okay, there are the n terms. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so to find the sum, we use the formula. First we prove this formula. Okay, for the sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Okay, here first we see the formula for the sum. Okay, here we take a theorem. If it is ar square ar cube up to that ar to the power n minus 1 are n terms in a geometric progression where r is not equal to 1. R means the common ratio is not equal to 1, and this a is not equal to 0. A is a first term. Okay. Then the sum of all terms, that is a Sn, is equal to, see carefully the formula, it is a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. Okay, it is a formula for the sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Okay, see carefully here. It is a given a is a first term and r is a common ratio which is not equal to 1. Then AR, A into R square, A into R cube, up to A into R to the power n minus 1 are in a geometric progression. So we take the sum of this geometric progression n terms. Okay, here Sn, we can write Sn. It is a plus AR plus AR square plus and so on up to A into R to the power n minus 1. Here it is a sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Okay, here we want to find the formula for the Sn. Okay, now we take, it is equation number 1. Now multiply this equation 1, multiply equation 1 by R, okay, which is not equal to 1. So we can write here R into Sn, multiply equation 1 by R, is equal to A into R plus A into R square plus A into R cube plus and so on A into R to the power n. Here we multiply each term by R. Okay, here R into Sn, here R into A into here R, but we multiply by R, therefore A into R square, it is the second term. Third term is A into R cube, and here A into R to the power n minus 1. When we multiply by R, it is A into R to the power n. It is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 minus equation number 2, this gives. See carefully this. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. See carefully. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2, that is Sn minus R into Sn. Here LHS it is Sn minus R into Sn. It is a LHS. Okay. Now here we take the equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Equation 1 it is, and minus equation number 2. So all are the terms are in the minus, because we take the equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So it is minus, 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 all terms are the minus. That means A minus, here not A, so you can write it as A minus 0, it is A. Now AR and this minus AR get cancelled. See carefully. AR equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Okay, 1 minus equation 2, AR minus AR cancel. AR square minus AR square cancel. Next term it is a AR cube minus AR cube get cancelled. It is AR to the power n minus 1, and here it is AR to the power n, and it is a previous term, it is a AR to the power n minus 1, it is a previous term. Okay, last but one, both are the cancel, remaining this term. Okay, but it is a minus A into R to the power n. Okay, see carefully, it is a subtraction. Okay, subtract equation number 2 from 1. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2, we get this. Now here we can take common Sn. Here it is a 1 minus R. Here we common A, it is a 1 minus R to the power n. Here now we can find, we want to find the value of this Sn. Okay, that is the sum. We want to find the sum of the first n terms, and sum of the first n terms, it is a Sn. Okay, it is Sn. So this 1 minus R we take, okay, to the R is, that is a in division, and here we know that this R is not equal to 1. R is not equal to 1, so this bracket is not a 0, so we can divide this bracket. Okay, now therefore Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R. Here R is not equal to 1. We divide 1 minus R, and here it is the formula for the sum of the first n terms in a geometric progression. Okay, see carefully this formula. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is a common ratio, okay, of a geometric progression. Okay, see carefully. Here we take R is not equal to 1. the common ratio is not equal to 1. Common ratio is 1, that means all the terms are the same, that is 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, then common ratio it is 1. Okay, now here we take a common ratio not equal to 1. Not equal to 1 means it is either greater than 1 or less than 1. Okay, now there are the two cases. Okay, see carefully here. Note that if r is a less than 1, if r is less than 1, then we use this formula. Then Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. When r is a less than 1, we use this formula. And here, if r is greater than 1, that is the common ratio, then Sn, that is the sum of first n terms, we use the formula, see carefully, a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay, see carefully both the formulas. Okay, here in general we can prove Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. Okay, for the calculating problems we take when r is equal to r is a less than 1, then we use this formula, a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. Okay, and when r is greater than 1, we use this formula. Only replace this 1 minus r to the power n, 1 minus r. Here r to the power n minus 1, and here r minus 1. When r is a greater than 1, okay, see carefully this. Here r is less than 1, r is greater than 1. If r is equal to 1, see carefully, r is equal to 1, that means the all terms are t, 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 okay, like up to n times. Okay, okay, here t, 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 all are the terms are the same because the ratio is 1, t upon t, t upon t, t upon t, okay, n terms. Okay, then the Sn is, it is a t plus t plus t plus and n times. Okay, and therefore Sn is equal to, it is a n into t, that is n times. Okay, in general is t, we take the first term, we take a, therefore a, then we can write n into a. Okay, here it is a Sn. When the common ratio is 1, then the addition of the first n terms, it is a n times the first term. Okay, here it is a t is the first term, we take in general first term a, so we can write n into a. Okay, here now last, here see carefully, when we find the nth term, okay, it is the sum of the all terms, okay, sum of the first n terms minus sum of the first n minus 1 terms. Okay, here in the example here we can write when it is a t15, it is a s15 minus s14. Okay, like that. Okay, calculating. When s20, it is t20, it is a t20 minus, when we find the term 20, that is a t20 is equal to, it is s20 minus s19. Okay, here it is a tn is equal to sn minus sn minus 1. Okay, when r is equal to 1, the sum of first n terms is n times the first term. Okay, n times the first term, all terms are the same, so any one term it is n times the first term. And here these two are the importance formulae, when r is less than 1 and r is greater than 1. When r is less than 1, we can use this formula. When r is greater than 1, we use this formula. See carefully all the formulas. Okay, here, and remember these formulas. Okay, by using these formulas we can solve the examples in our next exercise, that is I think exercise 2.2. okay, here see carefully this. Now we see the examples in the exercise 2.2. Here it is the first example. For the following geometric progression, we want to find the Sn, that is the sum of the first n terms. Here it is the first example. Here given geometric progression is here 3, 6, 12, and it is a 24. Okay, up to that is. Here first term, that is a is a 3. Now we find the common ratio. It is a geometric progression, therefore it is a 6 upon 3 is equal to 12 upon 6 is equal to 24 upon 12. Okay, here like that, and it is 2. 6 by 3, 12 by 6, 24 by, and it is R. Okay, here, and which is greater than 1. Okay, here 2 is a greater than 1. Here there are the two formulas when R is less than 1 and R is greater than 1. It is common ratio, it is a 2, and 2 is a greater than 1. So we use this formula. Okay, here, and A is equal to 3, R is equal to 2, A is equal to 3. Therefore, Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 for R greater than 1. Okay, here this formula. Now put the values. It is a 3 into R to the power n, that is a 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, and therefore the Sn. Okay, here we can directly write it is Sn. Here 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1, it is a calculation. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1, it is a sum of the first n terms of this geometric progression. Now we see the second example. Here, given geometric progression, it is a P, Q square by P, Q cube upon P. Okay, it is a geometric progression. Here, P is a first term, that is the value of A, it is P. Now we find the common ratio. Therefore we can write here Q by P is equal to here Q square upon P upon Q. Okay, here the Q by P, it is Q by P. Here Q square upon P whole to the upon Q. Q square by P upon Q. Q get cancelled. Here again Q by P. That means the ratio Q by P. Again here these two terms. Q cube upon P whole to the upon Q square upon P. And now here P get cancelled here. Q by P. Here P get cancelled. Q. Now here we take the here P square. Okay, here correction in the question. Q square by P, and here Q cube by P square. Okay, here we can write P square. And now P get cancelled. Q square, and here Q square get cancelled. Only remaining it is Q by P. Q by P. It is a common ratio, and it is R. Here, but in the last example, the value of the R, it is a directly 2, and within that 2 is a greater than 1. But the Q by P is greater than 1 or less than 1. We don't know. Here Q by P, we take the both cases, that is Q by P is a less than 1 or Q by P is a greater than 1. See carefully here. A is equal to P, it is the first term. Now if Q by P is equal to R is a less than 1. Okay, if R is a less than 1, we can write this formula. Therefore Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R when less than 1, and then it is Sn A into 1 minus Q to the power n upon P to the power n, that is Q by P. to the power n and whole to the upon 1 minus q by p. Here it is the sum of the first n terms when the r is less than 1, that is q by p is less than 1. Okay, now, and second case, if q by p, that is r, which is greater than 1, then Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, and then it is a into q to the power n upon p to the power n minus 1 whole to the upon, it is a q by p minus 1. Here it is a nth term, sorry, it is a sum of the n terms when r is greater than 1 and it is when r is less than 1. Okay. This formula for the sum of the first n terms when r is less than 1 and it is r is greater than 1. Okay, see carefully. Here we take both the cases, that is r is less than 1 and r is greater than 1. Now we take the third example. Here for the third example, given geometric progression, it is a 0.7, 0.07, 0.007 up to dash dash. Okay, now it is the first term. Okay, and therefore it is a 0.07 upon 0.7, see carefully, is equal to 0.007 upon 0.07, okay, to dash dash is equal to, then here the ratio, see carefully, okay, here ratio it is a 0.1, carefully, okay, here 0.07 upon 0.7, okay, here we can write this and remove the point, that means 7 upon 70, it is a 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 means 0.1. It is a 0.1 which is equal to r and which is less than 1. Okay, now therefore the Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r when r is less than 1, and therefore the Sn is equal to a, it is a 0.7 into 1 minus 0.1 to the power n upon 1 minus 0.1. Okay, here it is the sum of the first n terms of this geometric progression. Now we take the last. Here under root 5 minus 5. 5 into under root 5 minus 25. Okay, therefore ratio, here see carefully, minus 5 upon under root 5, minus 5 upon under root 5, it is minus under root 5, then 5 under root 5 upon minus 5, 5 get cancelled, it is minus under root 5, then minus 25 upon 5 under root 5, again 5 25, it is 5 upon under root 5, like that, again it is under root 5, and then it is minus under root 5, which is r, and again r is less than 1. See carefully, it is a geometric progression where common ratio it is minus under root 5. Okay, and now the formula for the sum of the first n terms, and therefore it is a Sn is equal to a, it is under root 5 into 1 minus under root 5 to the power n upon 1 minus under root 5, it is minus under root 5, so we can write it is under root 5 into 1 minus under root 5 to the power n upon 1 plus under root 5. It is the sum of the first n terms of this geometric progression. Okay, see carefully this. Now next example. Example number 2. For a geometric progression number 1, a is equal to 2, r is equal to minus 2 by 3, find S6, and number 2, if S5, that is the sum of the first 5 terms in a geometric progression, is 1023, r is equal to 4, then find a. Okay, here now we solve these 2 examples. Here in the first example, there is, it is a given a is equal to 2 and r is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, and it is minus 2 by 3, which is less than 1. Okay, so here we use the formula r is equal to less than 1. Now we know that Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r for r is less than 1. Here we want to find the S6. Therefore S6 is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power 6, r, it is minus 2 by 3. To the power 6 and whole to the upon, here a it is a 2, and whole to the upon 1 minus 2 by 3, it is r. Okay, here we put all the values. Now we take the calculations. Okay, now here it is a 2 into 1 minus, here it is minus and it is a power 6, that is power even, so this term will be plus, so minus as it is. Okay, it is a 1 minus. Now 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6, it is 4 to the power 3, that means 64. Okay, 2 to the power 6 means 4 to the power 3, and here 3 to the power 6, again 3 to the power 6, it is 3 into 3, 27 square, 27 square, it is a 729. Okay, 27 square, and now upon this 1 plus 2 by 3, see carefully, 1 plus 2 by 3, that means, okay, we can write one step more, it is a one more step, only we take the plus, now addition, this 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, we take calculation here. Therefore S6 is equal to 2 into this 729 minus 64 upon 729 whole to the upon, it is a 5 by 3, whole to the upon, it is 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 3. Now this can be written, it is a 2 into, see carefully, 2 into this, it is a 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, then 2, that is a 12 minus 6, it is a 6, and it is 6 upon 729, see carefully, it is a numerator, and whole to the upon 5 by 3, we can write in a denominator into numerator. See carefully this. Okay, here 2, the subtraction it is a 665 subtraction upon 229, and here it is a 5 by 3. In the denominator we take, right, in the numerator it is a 3 by 5. Now the calculation is, here it is a 2 as it is, into divided by 5, therefore here it is a 1, carry 1, it is a 16, that is a 3, and 16, then again 1, again 3, okay, upon, okay, 5 and 665 get cancelled, we get 133. Now 3 divided by this 229, okay, here 2, okay, here 1, that is 12, it is a 4 and 3, okay, and then the last answer is multiply by 2, 662 upon 243. Now the S6, the sum of the first 6 terms in a geometric progression is 266 upon 243. Okay, see carefully, check the calculations. Now we see the next example, example number 2. Here in the example, here given that the S5 it is 1, 0, 2, 3 and R is equal to 4. 4 means greater than 1. Okay, here we can use the formula for the greater than 1. Okay, see carefully the calculation. Now we want to find the value of A, that is the first term. We know Sn, sum of the first n terms, it is A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 when R greater than 1. Now here it is S5. S5 is equal to A, it is A into R to the power n, that is 4 to the power 5 minus 1 upon R, it is a 4 minus 1. Okay, now see carefully the calculation. S5 it is given is equal to A into, and now here 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 5, like the 2 to the power 10, and you know the 2 to the power 10 it is a 1024. Okay, and minus 1 whole to the upon 3, and therefore 1023 is equal to A into 1023 upon 3. See carefully, 3 becomes here 1023, 1023 get cancelled, therefore A is equal to 3. See carefully, check the calculations. Okay.